Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi 326 Express. I am a young man Animakore 31. I work at this local company. I have been a part of management for close to 5 years. A young lady was hired a year ago. Ndini ndakaudzwa kuti ndimudzidzise basa. Basa racho haanyatsogone, so I would even do some of her work just to help her out. I see her as my little sister, which is why it was easy for me to help her. We were going through some paperwork pa laptop yake, and she left her laptop with me, and her email was opened, and I saw her payslip. Vedare, this young lady earns much more than I do, and it's bothering me because I do more work than she does. Pabasa pedu apa pane gap, recruiter some shady deals. And this girl and other employers have mentioned it before, and I never took them seriously. Should I maybe take a part into these deals, or I should approach my boss and ask for a pay raise? What should I do, Vedari? You're a hot topic yethu namhlanje.
Okay. It's never a good idea. Sometimes you're actually training a replacement, which is not so bad if you're planning to leave. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
But also then, is it allowed to like snoop?
It's not. I don't think. I think there's a. There must be.
There must be repercussions.
Right.
Yeah,
snooping into someone's emails without.
Because emails is, yeah, and then. So let's just work with this person has seen it, and this person wants to then go and ask the boss. Ask the boss on this basis. Because that basis, you get it. Basis yekuti hanzi ndakaona kuti sakila ari kutambira mari yakasiyana neyangu. Ari kutambira mari irimo ndirini ndinoita basa panapo.
Ndinotomuitira basa rake pamwe pacho.
Hanzi pamwe akadzidza kuvadarika vatinyorera ava. That's why maybe pay yakasiyana. There's a lot of factors also that could be part of why someone's pay would differ from mine to yours. You get
right.
it?
Yes.
So yeah. Anzi kana wakapinda basa chasara kubuda zviri kwese so ingotsvaga rimwe guys. Zvanzi number 1 ziva zvawakafambira, and then number 2 your pay was okay but vulnerable now have a problem, but you now have a problem because of hers, and then number 3 just mind your hawk, so it becomes a problem. It becomes a problem when you start in it. That's why I don't like to snoop because you were okay this whole time without seeing.
Yeah.
And to approach the boss, uchungo danzi nekuti hopefully it's not on the basis yekuti dona kutambira mari yakawanda. Do you get it?
Yes.
Yeah. And then thinking also kuti hanzi ngatichita mashady deals, it's a bit of a stretch. I don't know. Hanzi pamwe ari kudanana na boss, you wouldn't know. But also that's not your business.
It's not.
That's what I think. Hanzi museya ite basa rake, which is really good. Vazive kuti vari kumutambirisa mari inoenderana nebasa raari kuita here.